Hey friends, this is clearly not a snow day. This is Kevin Ozar coming to you at the end of the summer of 2020 with kind of a special announcement. I'm up north in beautiful Michigan, sunny day, friends at the beach. I'm gonna go for a swim really soon. You're seeing this as part of my YouTube channel that was This Is Not a Snow Day, when I offered hints and suggestions for families at home during the quarantine period of the pandemic. Well, once I shut down my YouTube channel, I started another project. Because remember, I like projects. And what I did was create a business called Blume AV Club. And you can check us out at blumeavclub.com. B-L-U-M-E A-V club, C-L-U-B.com. I'm going to put that in the About section. You'll see it in the notes. And basically, it is professionally done. A good friend of mine from way back is a professional filmmaker. He's made documentaries, music videos, commercials for national campaigns. We took what he knew about making great videos and what I know about teaching and learning and students, and we put it together. And we have a package of videos that are designed to help teachers returning to school, doing distance learning, parents, helpful hints for both elementary and secondary, and videos for students, secondary student videos, as well as videos for elementary students, chopped up in small bites for our smaller friends. If you're interested in this, check out www.blumeavclub.com, blumeavclub.com, and that is going to give you a chance to reach out to us. If you're not currently a teacher, or you don't have kids in school, but you know people who are freaking out or worried or concerned, this is a great resource for them. We know what we did last spring was not distance learning. It was emergency learning. Now we have a chance to do true distance learning, online learning, and move our kids forward. So I want to tell you about it. I'm really excited. I'm going to try and get the channel up and posting a little bit more, but I'm real excited about my new project. Wanted to share it with you. Love to know what you think about it. If you need to know more information, leave a comment down below. Share this video on your social media feeds. If you're seeing, like I'm seeing, a lot of people very concerned about the reality of how to return to school, how to take care of kids, how to take care of families. So that's it. I'm going swimming. I hope you're having a great summer. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.